moisture can wreak havoc on your home, leading to mold growth, wood rot, musty odors, and even structural damage. A crawl-space vapor barrier is your first line of defense against these problems. Let's explore how crawl-space vapor barriers work. Before we start, let's understand what a vapor barrier is and how it works. The most common type is made of polyethylene plastic sheeting, which is durable, affordable, and suitable for most climates. This sheet covers the walls and floor of a crawl space from the inside to prevent moisture, pests, and debris from finding their way indoors. When it comes to sealing off a crawl space, it's important to get things right. Any gaps or seams can be a potential weak point for moisture and mold intrusion. That's why vapor barrier installation is best left to the pros. At Groundworks, we use a robust 20 mil crawl seal liner that effectively blocks moisture and comes with a nationally backed long-term warranty. Here's how the pros at Groundworks install a vapor barrier. First, our experts will thoroughly inspect your crawl space or basement to identify the root causes of your moisture issue. Next, we'll clear the area. This might involve drying out a wet crawl space or raking the soil to make sure it's level. We'll remove debris, old insulation, and address any mold issues. It's crucial to seal any open vents to prevent moisture, air, and pests from entering. We use custom-fit insulation panels and exterior vent covers for a complete seal. If necessary, we'll install a sump pump or other drainage systems to keep the area beneath the vapor barrier dry. We'll attach insulation to the crawl space walls using adhesive or fasteners. Now, for the vapor barrier itself. We'll carefully measure, cut, and fit the material, ensuring it overlaps at the seams for a secure seal. We'll use durable seam tape for extra security. To maintain a dry and healthy environment, we'll install a dehumidifier, creating positive airflow. Every home is unique, and that's why we take a customized approach to vapor barrier installation. Our experts consider your home-specific needs, such as the size and layout of your crawl space. We'll tailor the vapor barrier size and shape to fit perfectly. The severity of your moisture problem. We'll implement additional solutions like drainage systems or dehumidifiers if needed to make sure that the solution can stand the test of time. Our professionals have the experience and knowledge to create a vapor barrier system that's perfectly suited to your home's needs, ensuring long-lasting protection against moisture damage. When it comes to moisture control, the details matter. That's why our expert installations focus on the little things to ensure lasting protection. By trusting your vapor barrier installation to the experts at Groundworks, you can rest assured that your home is protected from moisture damage. Contact us today for a free inspection and let us help you create a dry, healthy, and comfortable living environment.